Ready to turn your crypto gains into real-world spending money? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to cash out from Crypto.com directly to your bank account. First, ensure your account is fully verified. This usually involves submitting your ID and proof of address. You can check your verification status in the settings menu. Next, navigate to your accounts section. You'll see both your crypto wallet and your fiat wallet to withdraw to your bank. You'll first need to sell your crypto for fiat currency. Tap on Trade, then Sell. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert to fiat, like EUR or USD. Enter the amount you want to sell and review the exchange rate. Confirm the transaction. Once your crypto is sold, your fiat currency will appear in your fiat wallet. Now, tap Transfer, then Withdraw. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions to add it. This can take a few days. If your bank account is already linked, select it from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check all the details, including your bank account information, and pay close attention to any displayed fees. Withdrawal fees vary depending on your region and the currency. Confirm your withdrawal. You'll typically receive an email confirmation. Transfer times can vary, but it's usually between 13 business days. You can track the progress in your transaction history. Experiencing issues. Common problems include incorrect bank details or exceeding withdrawal limits. Always double-check your information and consider contacting Crypto.com support for assistance. Remember, regional limitations apply, so be aware of the restrictions in your country. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn from Crypto.com to your bank. Optimizing your withdrawals by understanding fee structures and regional limitations helps you keep more of your hard-earned crypto profits.